We are in my newest listing in Candler Park at 1260 McLendon Avenue. This is a truly iconic house. It's one that you will notice because it's so unique and interesting. From the street, it sits up high with a full porch going across the front that's covered and perfect for meeting with friends and neighbors. When you come in, you are entering this incredible grand foyer, which has gorgeous original details of all of the unique original trim above the windows and the doors. It's the original wood along with these heart pine floors that run throughout. We're now in the dining room, and imagine the dinner parties that have been had here if only the walls could talk. It is massive. It's perfect for entertaining. It has this incredible built-in china cabinet that will of course remain. And it has this gorgeous built-in bench. It also has pocket doors that are still working that go between the dining room and the living room. Just off of this area is the kitchen, which has been nicely updated with a massive picture window that overlooks the gorgeous backyard. It's also open into a den with a banquette, which is very unusual for their house of this era. We're now upstairs in the primary suite. You'll notice beautiful details like this original decorative fireplace, gorgeous windows across, and it does have a walk-in closet, which is unusual, as well as a beautiful bathroom with a separate tub and shower. In addition to this, there are 3 more bedrooms upstairs. So this house has had 4 original bedrooms, which is extremely unusual for a house built at this time. We are outside of the upper floor, and this is a balcony that runs the entire back of the property. You have this stunning view of the backyard, which is pretty private as well as flat and larger than a typical lot in this area. You have room for a pool. You have room to be able to make a garage, and you have alley access, and you can actually park 4 or 5 cars back here. Additionally, it's a perfect spot to be able to hang out for coffee in the morning, or for wine in the evening, or just to enjoy the quiet peacefulness of the area. We are in my favorite spot in this property. This is the front porch, and it runs the whole front of the house with a gorgeous view of the front yard. It's the perfect spot to hang out with friends, be able to have a glass of wine at the end of the day.